Hello everyone, Yoga Kere Atekir. I am Opio Emmanuel. Oh yes, I am my culture. I want to share with you the knowledge of our leadership in Teso. We had a hierarchy of a chief and the clan heads. A general case in Oibe, Apollo Cross Atekir, Apollo Natekir. I want to share with you the 7 major clans of Teso and why they were famous and why they are famous up to today. We have the Igoria clan, originating from the famous hoodfinch. It was a bird which was known for designing its nest very well. So it used to thatch its nest very well. That was Igoria. It was a bird, a hooded finch. Igoria people are builders. They are craftsmen. They are carpenters, well talented, well blessed, and they were very knowledgeable. They were the people responsible for development of the community in terms of infrastructures. Those were the Igoria people, and that's where I come from. We had the Ikomolo people. Ikomolo clan was a combination of an intermarriage between the Acholi people and the Teso people. Did you know that? Ikomolo were known as foretellers. They used to have a spiritual eye. They could tell about the future. They could foresee. They could see ahead. They could tell us what could happen. They had a spiritual eye. They were blessed. They could communicate to the spirits. And they could tell us when to plant, what is right and what could happen ahead. They could tell us the disasters that could easily come to affect us, and we could prepare for them. So they were foretellers. They were prophets. And we really believed in them, we respected them, and they were famously known because they could interpret the stars and tell us, when you see these stars, it means this. Those were the Ikomolo. A general case in anali monoke na kiro nonga rain. So ijenile uji Ikaruwok. Ikaruwok who were leaders. Ikaruwok clan involved people who were very strong, well muscular. They were warriors. They were fearless. They were very brave. These were the people who protected us from our enemies. Even during the time of colonialism, the warriors, those were the Ikaruwoks, protected us from the colonialists. They fought in battles. They could defend us, protect us, and that's where they were very famous because they were well trained and they trusted in them. They used to use weapons such as akwara kolone chumere ibuja agwa netwet. So ajabore na kolo alokete kwe Itego jabore rekwara dada pite toy amote to dumje lokita Itego erimu ne rekere etubori ye Itego akan arakeje yalama. So ajate kena baka Ikinom arabonat Inomu esuli genete bi Inomu. We had the Inomu clan. These were healers. They were traditional healers. We didn't used to heal using this other modernized medicine. We used to use local herbs. Even behind me, this is medicine for malaria. I want to interest you that the Inomu people were well known for massaging. In case you had a fracture, if you had a broken leg, they had the way they could put you and you could come back to normal. Inomu arasiko lokesi lemuke to na gereto ni ariono rakojo na bibila arete te unuja ena pajoke daito isusati kielo atagoro. Kapa na aloe vera ngone susio ja aloe vera susio jonyo so ngesi Inomu. The Inomu clan, those were the people, and up to now they are still famous because they are blessed in healing. As we are all well aware that COVID was discovered from Teso land, from an Iteso man, we discovered COVID. That helped us to treat COVID, but COVID was not treated using those modernized medicines. It was made out of a traditional herb called abach kede usu. Gente sukere abach imuke yese malaria, imuke awola, imuke inyo. So ikiye ngunu isetu somaite call Inomu emo kitunga. So ajas Iworopom. Iworopom clan was a group of people who were very united, and they also had a gift of foretelling. They were seers also. They were prophets also. Iworopom or Iworopan people were very blessed with seeing what could happen ahead. Similarly to the foretellers of Ikomolo. So they were seers also. Those were Iworopan. Among the major 7 clans of Teso, we had Irarak people. Irarak clan was among the most famous clans because since we are food gatherers, we had a clan, people who were known, they were very brave people. Irarak could move during a dry season with spears, with all the hunting tools, and they could go and hunt bush meat, bring it home. And you know how delicious bushmeat is. So they could bring bushmeat home, gather fruits. They could go and bring wild goats, wild pigs, and they could bring them, and you could find they could spend a meal and enjoy it as a group, as a clan. You understand? We could not, for us, we used to live our life communally. We never used to eat alone. So after harvesting or after hunting, we could come and share a meal with everyone in the community. Those were the Irarak people. They were food gatherers and hunters, very brave people. It's not easy to deal with wild animals in the bush. So those were the Irarak clan. Yes, Ikatekok clan. Oh yes, we had a very, very blessed group of Iteso people. Iduaduk, they were very well known of being very wise people, well experienced, very neutral, because most of them were impartial judges. They used to solve disputes amongst different clans, different communities. For example, in case there was an issue between one man or another, they had to organize local brew called Ajono in a pot. So when one party comes and another party comes with the leaders who are Ikatekok, these people could all drink in one pot and they discuss the issue and they could solve the matter. So those were Ikatekok people. Up now they are famously known for solving disputes, and they could give very fair judgment. They could not take one side and they could not be bribed. Thank you so much. I am Opio Emmanuel, I am a culture.